Are you looking for the best? Twin beds with drawers offer a smart solution for rooms with limited space. They combine the comfort of a twin bed with the added convenience of storage drawers underneath. These beds are perfect for children's rooms, guest rooms, or studio apartments where every inch of space matters. List number 1, frame with 2 large storage drawers. Discover the perfect blend of functionality and style with the Hom's twin-size bed frame. This bed frame offers 2 large storage drawers, providing ample space to keep your room tidy. Heavy metal slats ensure strong support, eliminating the need for a box spring. Enjoy a peaceful night's sleep with its noise-free design. Assembly is a breeze, making setup quick and easy. The dark gray finish adds a modern touch to any bedroom. Advantages. Maximize bedroom space with 2 large storage drawers. Perfect for storing extra linens and clothes. Heavy metal slats ensure sturdy support. No box spring needed. Easy assembly process saves time and effort. Ideal for busy schedules. Noise-free design provides a peaceful night's sleep. No creaks or squeaks. Stylish dark gray finish complements any room decor. Enhances bedroom aesthetics. List number 2, frame with storage drawers. Transform your bedroom with the Zevamomo twin bed frame. Durable metal slats offer strong support without a box spring. Rustic brown finish creates a warm, cozy atmosphere. Storage drawers help keep your space tidy and organized. Built-in LED light and charging station add modern convenience. Perfect for those seeking style and functionality. Advantages. Ample storage space enhances room organization. This twin bed frame includes drawers. Keep essentials nearby without cluttering the room. LED lighting creates a cozy atmosphere. Adjustable lights set the mood. Perfect for bedtime reading or relaxing. Built-in charging station offers convenience. Charge devices easily and stay connected. No need for additional outlets or cords. Heavy-duty metal slats ensure durability. This sturdy design supports without a box spring. Sleep comfortably with reliable support. Rustic brown finish adds style. Complements various decor themes beautifully. A timeless piece for any bedroom. List number 3, frame with 2 storage drawers. Transform your bedroom with the SOG's white twin bed frame. Elegant design complements any room decor seamlessly. Solid wood construction ensures lasting durability and support. 2 storage drawers provide ample space for personal belongings. No box spring needed, simplifying setup and maintenance. Ideal for teens and adults seeking style and functionality. Advantages. Storage drawers offer extra space for clothing or bedding. Solid wood construction ensures long-lasting durability and strength. No box spring needed, saving money and simplifying setup. Wood slats provide reliable support for a comfortable night's sleep. Elegant white finish complements various bedroom styles seamlessly. List number 4, frame with 2 storage drawers. Transform your bedroom with the Gaiman twin-size bed frame. This stylish bed frame features a rustic linen upholstery. 2 spacious storage drawers help keep your space organized. Charge devices conveniently with the built-in charging station. The sturdy design ensures a noise-free sleep experience. Enjoy hassle-free assembly with no box spring needed. Advantages. Discover ample storage space with 2 convenient drawers. Keep essentials organized and easily accessible. Perfect for small rooms. Charge devices effortlessly with the built-in charging station. A smart solution for tech-savvy individuals. Never worry about low battery again. Enjoy the rustic linen upholstery for a stylish look. Adds elegance to any bedroom decor. Enhances comfort and aesthetic appeal. Built to last with heavy-duty materials. Ensures durability and stability over time. No box spring needed, simplifying assembly. Experience a noise-free sleep every night. Designed for peaceful rest without disruptions. Supports tranquil relaxation and rejuvenation. List number 5. Twin size with charging station. Transform your bedroom with the Rollin-Star twin bed frame. This stylish piece features a dark gray upholstered headboard with storage drawers for extra organization. Built-in charging station and LED lights add convenience and ambience. Heavy-duty metal slats ensure sturdy support without needing a box spring. Easy to assemble, it offers a noise-free sleeping experience for restful nights. Advantages: this bed frame features an integrated charging station. Convenient for keeping devices powered. LED lights add a modern touch. Perfect for late-night reading. Upholstered headboard offers extra storage space. Keep essentials within arm's reach. Heavy-duty metal slats ensure durability. No box spring required. Noise-free design guarantees peaceful sleep. Enjoy a restful night.